निरक्षर बालक को साक्षर जो बनाता है वह गुरु ही तो है, जो इंसान को इंसान बनाता है। अर्जुन को तैयार करने वाले गुरु द्रोण विश्व विख्याता है। छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज को तैयार करने वाली जीजा माता है। साधारण मनुष्य को भी अमर बनाने में जिसकी क्षमता है वह गुरु ही तो है, जो इंसान को इंसान बनाता है। वही माता तो वही पिता, वही भ्राता तो वही भगवत गीता है। वही ब्रह्मा, वही विष्णु, वही विश्व निर्माता है। जीवन की इस माटी को जल बन जो सींचता है वह गुरु ही तो है, जो इंसान को इंसान बनाता है। A very happy Guru Purnima to all the PI faculties, non-teaching staff and interns who are incredibly supportive and helpful to all of the students. A very happy Guru Purnima once again.
So a very happy Guru Purnima to all my gurus over there. I am actually glad that I have been a part of programmatics since 2 years. The teachers over there didn't even taught me how to study, but yes, they polished me, they taught me how to run smoothly on a rough road. They kept confidence on me when I lost my confidence. I'm really glad that I got Shimanka sir, Mohit sir, Ronak sir, Nirav sir, Dipen sir, and yes, Pratik sir as my gurus, and also the non-teaching staff, Vedant sir, Vrushank sir, Saloni ma'am, how can you forget me, and Venkatesh sir, Vijay sir, and also thank you Nidhi ma'am. So thank you so much for sharing all your knowledge to all of your students, and I'm really blessed that I got all of you as my gurus. Thank you so much.
Happy Guru Purnima to all you lovely teachers. I remember a year ago I joined PD. It was so amazing to meet you people. Pratik sir, Ankit sir, Nidhi ma'am. You're so energetic, Pratik sir, and such a moral booster. I think those 15 days were just the best. You've given us such an amazing concept of learn with fun. I think I would never be able to forget those days. And also thank you so much Kapil sir, Ronak sir, Saloni ma'am, Vedant sir, Vrushank sir for making it even more fun. Once again, happy Guru Purnima.
Hello everyone, happy Guru Purnima. Today on this occasion, I would really like to take an opportunity to thank Pratik sir, Ankit sir, Kapil sir, Vijay sir, Mohit sir, Nirav sir, Ronak sir and Nidhi ma'am for building a very strong foundation for a bright future. I would really like to appreciate the efforts, dedication and enthusiasm of Saloni ma'am, Venkatesh sir, Vrushank sir, Vijay sir and Vedant. I always felt like home at PI because of the friendly nature of all the teachers and their fun learning techniques. Thanks to all the teachers for always being available to solve my doubts and queries. Thank you everyone for being with me from day one till now. Thank you so much. Happy Guru Purnima once again.
Happy Guru Purnima. On this auspicious day, I would like to thank Pratik sir and Nidhi ma'am for making each event and PD day so much memorable. Thank you Ankit sir, Mohit sir, Brijesh sir, Kapil sir, Ronak sir and Nirav sir for always being there and helping us with the studies and making all the 3 subjects so much fun, loving and interesting. Thank you Vrushank sir, Venkatesh sir, Vijay sir, Saloni ma'am and Vedant for making us so much comfortable with the environment. Thank you so much everyone for always motivating us and being there for us. Happy Guru Purnima once again.
Happy Guru Purnima to the entire programmatics team. It was amazing being a part of your personality development program. I am so grateful and so indebted to you guys for that. Thank you so much for inspiring us, for mentoring us, for being a guidance. It was amazing and I can proudly tell that those were the best 15 days of my life. Thank you so much for having us there. Thank you.
Guru always helps one to get the knowledge and stand beside the student when they are in problems. Today, on this auspicious day, I would heartily wish Happy Guru Purnima to all the programmatics faculties. Thank you for helping us in our needs and deeds. Also thanks to the non-teaching staff, Saloni ma'am, Vedant sir, Vrushank sir, Vijay sir and Venkatesh sir. Thank you so much to everyone. Enjoy your day.
Hello sir, hi ma'am. Wishing you all a very happy Guru Purnima. We are really grateful to have you all. Thank you so much and happy Guru Purnima again.
Hello sir. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Guru Purnima. This is a special message on behalf of the whole 11th Batch 1 group. There is a meaning behind the word Guru. The term Gu means darkness and Ru means removing the darkness. The same kind of gesture is played by you all. So thank you very much for the efforts that you all are taking, and once again very happy Guru Purnima.
Good afternoon to all the teachers and the non-teaching staff of Programmatics Institute. I'd just like to wish you a happy Guru Purnima, and I'd like to say that we appreciate you. Teachers don't just teach children, they help prepare us for the road ahead in life. And I'd like to say that as teachers, your impact towards us goes way beyond the classroom and that you matter to us. I'd also like to add that your sacrifices don't go unnoticed.
Hello teachers, happy Guru Purnima. I really thank you from bottom of my heart for all your efforts and dedications. I really appreciate all your hard work and efforts for us. Words are powerless to express a gratitude to you. I really thank you for all your blessings. And once again I wish you a very happy Guru Purnima.
So today is 5th July. So happy Guru Purnima to Pratik sir, Nidhi ma'am and all teachers of Programmatics. PD was one of the most wonderful days of my life, and I thank you a lot for teaching me so much and such new things. In PD I had the best memories of my life, and believe me, whenever I lack motivation, I read that journal or PD book which you gave me when the course was about to end. So thank you a lot for always supporting me and motivating me. Thank you a lot.
Thank you PIT for supporting us, for believing in us and always being there for us. It is said that the grace of Guru is like an ocean. If one comes with a cup, he only gets a cup full. It's no use of complaining about the niggard lines of the ocean. You all were an inspiration and an aspiration to me. You all supported me when I need aspiration. You all were there to guide me. Thank you all the Gurus for being such a pillar of support for me. Wishing you all a very happy Guru Purnima. Thank you.
Myself, Dev Gohel, on behalf of PI Batch 1, would like to pay a tribute to all the teachers of Programmatics Institute on this auspicious day of Guru Purnima. In these days of trial, where the whole world is in chaos, where many people don't find their ways, we find teachers like you who guide us through our paths in order to achieve success. We appreciate your efforts and are hoping to meet you all soon at Programmatics Institute. Thank you all the teachers and happy Guru Purnima.
Significance of word Guru is the one who is capable of dispelling darkness from the light of the student who is seeking a right path. Teachers play an important role in molding the life of a student. We all the students here at Programmatics are so much blessed to have such wonderful teachers like you. We love you and respect you from the bottom of our hearts, and we request you to always spread the light of wisdom and knowledge to us. Thank you all the teachers for your efforts, and happiest Guru Purnima.
So first of all, I would like to wish each one of you a very happy Guru Purnima. जितना भी मैं आपको थैंक यू बोलूँ वो कम ही होगा, because you all play a very important role in all our students' life by investing your life and time in us. Thank you to all the non-teaching staff also for helping us with the attendance and other activities too. I can never reach your worth, but I will for sure try to make gold of your hard work. Thank you for everything you have done for us till now and ahead. Thank you so much. Happy Guru Purnima.
नमस्कार, प्रोग्रामेटिक्स इंस्टीट्यूट न्यूज़ ब्यूरो में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज इस गुरु पूर्णिमा के पावन अवसर पर मैं आप सभी फैकल्टीज, टीचर्स एंड सर्विस का तहे दिल से धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ। आप सभी हमारे लिए जितनी मेहनत करते हैं उतना कम है। हमारे लिए एक्टिविटीज बनाते हैं, हमें प्रोत्साहन देते हैं, हमारे डाउट्स क्लियर किए बगैर हमें आगे नहीं जाने देते। आप सभी का इस सब चीज़ मेहनत हमेशा सफल हो। आप अपनी जिंदगी में जो चाहें आपको भी वह सब मिले जैसे आप हमारे लिए प्रार्थना करते हैं। धन्यवाद। आप सभी को हमारी तरफ से बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
Hello, good morning, and happy Guru Purnima Day to all of the Programmatics Institute teachers and the non-teaching staffs as well. It's been a great pleasure to be a part of Programmatics Institute, and I'm very lucky as well. Pratik sir, who has helped me throughout and has been a great mentor to me. Kapil sir, who has taught me subjects which I was very weak at it, and I still miss his PJs. And Ankit sir, who has been a great tabla player, and always be glad that I still play with him all kind of instruments that I have learned, and I would like to play in future as well. And the non-teaching staff like Saloni ma'am, who I always harass a lot, Nidhi, who has been a very great and good friend of mine, and she's always ready to help everybody and me as well. So yeah, it's been a great journey, and I am really very lucky to be a part of Programmatics Institute, and I would also like to be the part of it in future as well if sirs invite me. Yeah, but it's just a joke. But yeah, thank you so much sirs for making my life much more. So yeah, it's been a great journey, and I am really very lucky to be a part of Programmatics Institute, and I would also like to be the part of it in future as well if sirs invite me. Yeah, but it's just a joke. But yeah, thank you so much sirs for making my life much more better, and thank you so much for being my guru and teaching me all the good lessons and how to be a good person in life. Thank you so much sir, and happy Guru Purnima Day. Thank you.
Hello. The 2 years in the PI have been really special for me, as I have got to learn many things from there. I am really grateful to each and every faculty who have always supported me and guided me through all the ups and downs and all my problems. On this special occasion of Guru Purnima, I would like to wish each and every professor and ma'am a very happy Guru Purnima. Always keep your blessings with us. Thank you so much.
Hello Team PI, I am thankful and grateful for joining Programmatics Institute in the 11th and 12th grade. On this special occasion of Guru Purnima, I would like to wish all the teachers a very happy Guru Purnima. On Teachers Day, I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart for being the inspiration and never letting me waver from my path. And helping me achieve and strive for my goals. I would like to wish all the teachers a very happy Guru Purnima. Ankit sir, Mohit sir, Raj sir, Neerav sir, Dipen sir, Swati ma'am, Kapil sir, Brijesh sir, Pratik sir, Nidhi ma'am, Venkatesh sir, Saloni ma'am. Thank you for always being there throughout the 11th grade, and I'm looking forward to the 12th grade. A very happy Guru Purnima to all of you.
It's the occasion of Guru Purnima, and the first thing that comes to my mind is surely Programmatics Institute. This institute has been a turning point in my life ever since I've passed my 10th standard. Be it Ankit sir, Kapil sir, Pratik sir, the supporting staff in the form of Nidhi ma'am, Saloni ma'am, Brushan, Vedanta has done a wonderful job as well. You guys are the best. Very happy Guru Purnima to all of you, and you are the ones whom we look upon. Love you guys.
Happy Guru Purnima to all the programmatics teachers. I feel so fortunate and counting myself a special one for being a part of this video. So, I'm an ex-PD student of programmatics family. Those 15 days were the best days of my life. They taught me values which brought a drastic change in my personality. I would like to thank Pratik sir and Nidhi ma'am for bringing the best out of me and making me so confident, which I was not expecting at all for myself. The way I have developed the holistic approach in my personality is commendable. I have been the best version of myself under their guidance. Thank you to the whole programmatics faculty, without which this was not possible. So here's wishing you once again a very happy Guru Purnima.
Happy Guru Purnima to all the teachers of PI family.
I would like to start by thanking Ankit sir, as he was the one who always believed that I could do physics when I used to hate that subject. But he always said, "No, Heta, you can do it." And trust me, when your teacher says that you can do it, it actually makes you believe that you can do it. I would also like to thank Nidhi ma'am and Pratik sir for always motivating me, as I was the most demotivated student when I first entered through the PD program. You know, it is very easy to feel classes at home and study at home, but it is very hard to feel home at classes. That's what PI family makes you feel. Thank you so much for making me part of your family. To all the teachers.
Good morning, sir and ma'am. Today, on the auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima, we students and Nidhi ma'am have decided to show a little love of gratitude towards you. Thank you so much for always being there with us. Thank you so much for removing ignorance from our life and enlightening our every single day with the power of knowledge. Thank you so much to create such wonderful PPDs even during this corona situation. Thank you so much to make us learn very difficult things in a fun and innovative way. Thank you so much for guiding us every single day. Thank you so much for everything you have given us. You are not just our teachers, but our friends. And how can we forget the non-teaching staff? Thank you so much to the non-teaching staff as well for helping us in every single thing. Happy Guru Purnima.
Wishing you a very happy Guru Purnima. This is just a little message to let you know how grateful we are to have you as our teacher. I don't think you realize, but you've been a huge influence on me, and you're exactly what I would look for in a teacher. Thank you for always being on toes for us 24/7. Thank you for always entertaining and solving our doubts, no matter how silly they are. Thank you for always going around that extra mile just so we do our best. And thank you for always having faith in us. Thank you for just being who you are. And we're incredibly grateful for whatever you do. Thank you so much. Wishing you a very happy Guru Purnima.
Happy Guru Purnima to all the teachers. I would like to thank you all for always ensuring that all our doubts are clear, and also for the efforts that you pour in to make the concept easier to understand for us. Thank you.
Gurorangri Padme Manashana Lagnam Tadakhim. What is the use of this mind if they do not worship the Guru's feet? Hello, I would like to wish all the teachers a very happy Guru Purnima. On this auspicious day of Guru Purnima, I want to thank all the teachers and the PI faculty for their great help and support during this difficult quarantine time. We are so lucky to just not have teachers but also a family and mentor. Thank you again. Happy Guru Purnima.
Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. As today is the best day to express feelings to all the programmatics gurus, I would like to thank all Pratik sir, Ankit sir, Kapil sir, Mohit sir, Brijesh sir, Nirav sir, Ronak sir, Nidhi ma'am for always guiding me in the right direction, for being a true guide, mentor, and always being a strong pillar of support for me in hard times. Thank you to all non-teaching members of PI, that is Rushang Bhai, Saloni ma'am, Vijay Bhai, Venkatesh Bhai and Vedant, for always guiding me in the toughest times. I would like to conclude with a beautiful shairi for all. तुमने सिखाया उंगली पकड़कर कैसे चलना, तुमने सिखाया उंगली पकड़कर कैसे चलना, तुमने बताया कैसे गिरने के बाद संभलना, तुम्हारी वजह से पहुंचे है इस मुकाम पे, तुम्हारी वजह से पहुंचे है इस मुकाम पे, गुरु पूर्णिमा के दिन है आपका आभार सलाम से. Happy Guru Purnima to all.
A very warm welcome to my whole programmatics team. I would like to thank each and every member of the programmatics family as they have worked their hearts out in developing and excelling their students' life in every aspect we can't even imagine. On this auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima, I wish a positive and successful year ahead to each and every teacher, staff and non-staff members as a team and on an individual basis too. Today, I wear this badge and you know what? It says it's all about this family's greatness. Thank you to the whole programmatics team.
Good morning, my name is Deeksha and I will on this
and sirs for taking such efforts to teach us. As we know, this lockdown has increased the workload. So once again, thank you and happy Guru Purnima to all.
Happy Guru Purnima to all of you. I know Corona na લીધે આ ટાઈમ ક્લાસીસ તો નહીં આવી શકું મળવા, બટ અ સ્પેશિયલ થેન્ક્સ ટુ કપિલ સર, અંકિત સર, પ્રતિક સર, સલોની મેમ, વૃષાંક, જે જર્નીમાં અત્યાર સુધી મારી સાથે હતા, એન્ડ બીજા બધા નોન ટીચિંગ સ્ટાફ એન્ડ બીજા પ્રોગ્રામેટિક્સના ટીચર્સ. વિશ યુ અ વેરી હેપી ગુરુ પૂર્ણિમા.
Happy Guru Purnima to the entire programmatics faculty. Thank you for motivating us and encouraging us to take our first step towards our career. Thank you for making our online studies so interesting. The online classes conducted are amazing.
Today is the day to be grateful to thank the entire team of Programmatics Institute. The online classes conducted by all the faculties are amazing. I'm really lucky to start my journey with you all. Thank you for taking so much efforts for making our studies interesting and easy even during the lockdown. Happy Guru Purnima to all the faculties.
On this occasion of Guru Purnima, I would like to thank all my talented gurus of PI, Ankit sir, Einstein of PI and God for us, Swati ma'am who explains best with her flowcharts and makes our work easy, Pratik sir, the shyer and motivator of PI, Kapil sir, the teacher with pakao jokes but he always cares a lot for us, Mohit sir who always shares his life experiences with us, Ronak sir who writes chemistry as chemistry and our Modi Bhakt, Nidhi ma'am who always cares about our mental illness and she guides us a lot, Nirav sir who is like brother for all of us, and Brijesh sir, the only big show of our PI. Thank you so much all of you. I just can't say in this video that how much you all have done for us, but thanks a lot for all this, and I would also like to thank the non-teaching staff of PI because they too have worked a lot for us. Finally I would conclude with one शायरी, दिया ज्ञान का भंडार हमें, किया भविष्य के लिए तैयार हमें, है आभारी हम उन गुरुओं के जिन्होंने जीवन जीना सिखाया हमें.
It can be hard to put into words how fortunate and blessed I feel to have y'all as my professors. In such a small span of time, I already feel so much connected, and that is what matters the most to me. I look back with appreciation and gratitude to each one of you. Thank you for making tremendous amount of efforts and countless nights that y'all have been spending since months just to ensure that our studies aren't affected and are carried on smoothly. Thank you for making educational environment super joyful and super unique each and every day and putting forward in the best possible manner. Teachers who are special are better than the best, especially when they are the ones whom you wish for. Absolutely friendly, right? Okay, so wishing you all a very happy Guru Purnima. Hoping to meet you all super soon. Till then, bye-bye and take care.
Happy Guru Purnima to all the teachers. I'm already excited for the offline lectures to start, and this is just because of the teachers who are making the lectures so interesting. Thank you very much for all the efforts that you all are taking for us to make the lectures more amazing as well as interesting. Wishing you all a very happy Guru Purnima.
So a very happy Guru Purnima to everyone at Programmatics. Ankit sir, Pratik sir, Kapil sir, Brijesh sir, Saloni ma'am, Nidhi ma'am, everyone. हम लोग ने यार मतलब पीडी में कम टाइम बिताया, पीडी के लिए प्रोग्रामेटिक्स में बहुत ही कम टाइम बिताया, 15 दिन 20 दिन, पर तभी बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि जो 15-20 दिन थे वो मेरे समर वेकेशन के मोस्ट प्रोडक्टिव डेज थे, 10th स्टैंडर्ड के भी मोस्ट प्रोडक्टिव डेज थे. तो थैंक यू एवरीवन एंड अ वेरी हैप्पी गुरु पूर्णिमा. बाय बाय.
Hello everyone. On this auspicious day of Guru Purnima, I would like to thank every professor of Programmatics. From the bottom of my heart, they have been through us through every thick and thin situation. They have motivated us to give our best shot. Also, I would like to thank the non-teaching staff of Programmatics who have been a part of our journey. Lastly, I would say that a parent gives birth to a child, but a guru recognizes the child's talent and carves the perfect picture of a complete person. Thank you.
Hello teachers, a very happy Guru Purnima to all of you. If only I did this more often and thanked you enough to always helping us choose the right path and nurturing us to bring out the best in ourselves. Thank you for providing us with knowledge, not only just to crack any exam, but also to improve our social engagement and develop overall in life. You guys are the best and I have never once thought otherwise. Once again, a very happy Guru Purnima.
Very warm hello to all my inspirations at Programmatics. Without a guru, none can cross to the other side of the shore. You guys are such an inspiration and such an inspiration to me right now. Firstly, thank you so much Pratik sir for mentoring us throughout this bridge course lectures and all the fun that we have been having, and it is all possible because of you. Even offline, we all are having a real good time. Even at home, we are having such good productive days because of you all. Thank you so much Pratik sir. Also, secondly, thank you Nidhi ma'am so much for being the most kind and helpful person that I have ever met in my life. You are available for us whenever we text you. Thank you so much for all your help, and I really cannot wait to share the next 2 years of my life with you. Okay, firstly, so sorry Mohit sir for all the trouble that I have been giving you, because I do miss lectures and I am so sorry for that. Secondly, a very thank you to Ankit sir. You are the most understandable person that I know. You make things so easy that physics do not actually look like physics. So I'm so grateful for that. Also Kapil sir and Brijesh sir, you have been making math so fun, which I have been hating my entire life. Thank you so much for that. Special thanks to Raj sir, because of whom I could join this Programmatics family. Also the way you give us shortcuts and formula, they are so amazing. Thank you so much for that. Ronak sir, you are our Shairi king and our motivation throughout all these sessions. Thank you so much for all the fun that we have because of you. You make things like nothing for us. Chemistry is so fun when we are with you. We feel so motivated from inside. Nirav sir, though our lecture is only once in a week, I would like to give a special thanks even to you for making things so understandable and for all the knowledge that you have been giving us. Dipen sir, your lectures are the most amazing and I can never miss your lectures. Okay, I have most fun with you only. You are just so amazing to make things work like they are. I have literally never felt so amazed in anyone's lecture. Thank you so much for everything. Also, without a guru, today we all are nothing. Thank you so much for making me a part of this Programmatics family, and I cannot really wait to share my journey with all of you. It is your day, so wishing a very special and happy Guru Purnima, and I also hope everyone is safe indoors. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Prabir and today I would like to take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to all the teachers teaching at PI. You all work hard day and night so that you can give us the best possible explanation of concepts and also taking out your precious time so that we can get our doubts solved, and also making our future bright by conducting sessions about our future. Thank you.
Happy Guru Purnima. Thank you so much for being so supportive and amazing and inspiring all the time. I'm always gonna remember Programmatics in all my prayers, because you guys deserve it. It is always so motivating to see you all work so hard for one dream that you all have seen, and thank you for giving me the best days of my life. Pratik sir, Nidhi ma'am, Ankit sir, Vedant bhaiya, and every teacher was there.
This is a big thanks to the whole Programmatics family, the whole wonderful Programmatics family, and the thank not only includes our dear teachers, but it also includes all the other staff which has been a great part of this institute right from when it began, starting from our dearest Nidhi ma'am. Then we have Saloni ma'am, Vijay, Vedant, and the list goes on and on. It's a thank to all my dearest teachers as well as the staff. So cheers, Programmatics.
बिन दोऊ खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपनो जिन गोबिंद दियो बताए. For those who don't know what this means, it states that when you have God and Guru both standing in front of you, you should first bow down to your Guru and then to God. Because Guru is the one who led you to the path of God worship. Guru is not the one who does sweet talk or makes arbitrary promises to gain your support. Instead, he is the mirror which shows you your true self. He is the one who helps you elevate. On this auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima, I would just like to thank all my Gurus from the bottom of my heart for molding me in such a beautiful way, for always being there whenever I needed them, no matter what. Thank you so much.
Hello teachers, on this special day of Guru Purnima, I would like to thank you all teaching and non-teaching staff for making efforts for us. And we the batch 3 is very excited to meet you all. Hope we meet soon. Once again, happy Guru Purnima. Thank you.
Hi everyone, happy Guru Purnima. Today on this auspicious day, I would really like to take this moment and thank Pratik sir, Ankit sir, Brijesh sir, Kapil sir, Mohit sir, Ronak sir, Neerav sir and Nidhi ma'am for their countless efforts they put for a brighter and a better future. I would also really like to appreciate the consistent hard work of Saloni ma'am, Venkatesh sir, Vijay sir, Rishank sir and Vedant. Ever since day one, PI has been like a family to me, where all the sirs and teachers are always there to clear your doubts and solve your queries, and I'm so very glad to be a part of this family. I also am thankful for all the faculties for whatever they do for us and for always being there for us. Once again, happy Guru Purnima.
Better than 1,000 days of diligent study is one day with all PI teachers. They support us, they teach us, they inspire us, and they guide us. Happy Guru Purnima to all PI teachers. I would take the opportunity to thank Nidhi ma'am, Saloni ma'am, Venkatesh sir, Rishank sir and Vijay Babu. They are a good support system.
Guru Purnima to the entire team of programmatics, and a very big thank you to Nidhi ma'am and Vedant for compiling this video and sending it to the teachers and the students and sharing our feelings with you. And the last thing I just want to say is that without teachers, any profession would not exist. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Tanishka Rane, and on this auspicious day, I would like to thank all the teachers who gave me the strength to take the next step towards my dreams. You all made the boring subjects so dynamic and so enjoyable. Thank you so much for making me feel that I'm no less than others and that I have the potential to achieve whatever I want. So, I wish all the teachers and all the non-teaching staff members a very happy Guru Purnima. Thank you.
Happy Guru Purnima to all the teachers. You are a mentor and painter who paints our colorless dreams into a colorful dreams. Thank you for support, motivation and hard work you have been doing for us. It's a great pleasure for us to be a part of Programmatics Institute. Words are less, but the hard work you have been doing are countless. They are at infinite level. Thank you for all the things you have been doing for us. Wishing you all happy Guru Purnima to all the teachers as well as non-teaching faculties. Thank you so much.
Everyone in their life will have a guru to lead them. I have you all in my life as my gurus. You made me come out of my ignorance. I learned to handle the problems all because of you. During this pandemic situation, you're taking double the efforts for our betterment. All I can do is wish you all lots of love and happiness. I will always pay my tribute to you. Happy Guru Purnima. May the name of Guru be enshrined in all our hearts.
A very happy Guru Purnima to everyone and each and every professor at Programmatics Institute. And મને હજી પણ યાદ છે કે હું 10th પછી હું આવ્યો હતો એન્ડ યુ ઓલ નો કે હું કેવો હતો 10th વખતે એન્ડ આઈ જોઈન પીડી ત્યાં પ્રતિક સરે મને આખો ગ્રૂમ કર્યો ઓવરઓલ મને ગ્રૂમ કર્યો એન્ડ હજી મને બધી વાત યાદ છે સર જે અમને શીખવાડી હોય વન ઓફ ધ થિંગ જે મને મારો એક એમ છે મને સરે અમને બધાને ગોલ આપ્યો હતો કે બાય 23 years old કે 24 યુ શુડ બી એબલ ટુ બાય યોર ઓન કાર એન્ડ એ મારો એક ગોલ છે મારા લાઈફમાં કે આઈ વોન્ટ ટુ અચીવ બિફોર ઓર સમવેર અરાઉન્ડ 23 or 24. તો એ એક ગોલ મને હજી તક મને યાદ છે એન્ડ આઈ વોન્ટ ટુ અચીવ ઇટ એન્ડ એટલે જોઈએ એટલે આઈ વોન્ટ ટુ વર્ક ફોર ઇટ. એન્ડ સેકન્ડલી ઇઝ કપિલ સર. કપિલ સર ના હોત તો આઈ ગેસ હું હજી M1 કે M2માં હોત, કેમ કે મારું મેથ્સ થોડુંક બહુ વીક હતું. તો એમે મને શીખવાડ્યો છે એન્ડ એમે મને એઝ અ નાનો ભાઈ, એમનો એક એઝ અ સન મને વોટ એવર પોસિબલ છે મને એ રીતે મને ટ્રીટ કર્યો છે. એ મારા મેન્ટર છે. બધા મને હેલ્પ કરી છે. એન્ડ ઇવન ઇન માય પર્સનલ લાઈફ કાંઈ ઇશ્યુ હોય તો મને સમજાવે કે ભાઈ શું છે. એન્ડ બધા એમાં તો બધા આવી ગયા. પ્રતિક સર પણ આવી ગયા, અંકિત સર પણ આવી ગયા, બધા આવી ગયા કે વોટ ઇઝ ગોઈંગ ઓન વિથ યુ, વોટ ઇઝ બોધરિંગ યુ, કે જે પણ હોય. એન્ડ એન્ડ ધેન કમ્સ અંકિત સર. એમે મને ફિઝિક્સ અને મેથ્સમાં હેલ્પ કરી છે બહુ બધી. એન્ડ એમથી હું એક વસ્તુ શીખ્યો, એ છે પેશન્સ. કેવી રીતે પેશન્સ રાખીને કામ રાખીને વર્ક કરવાનું અને હાઉ ટુ કીપ યોર કૂલ એવરી ટાઈમ એન્ડ ઈચ એન્ડ એવરી સિચ્યુએશન. એન્ડ ઇવન મોહિત સર એન્ડ વિજય સર એટલે મારું આટલું નથી ઇન્ટરેક્શન કે નો સબ્જેક્ટ્સ વર ટેકન બાય ધેમ, બટ ઇવન દો વેન એવર વી मीट ये लोग मैंने कहीं सिखवाड़े એટલે वो लोग मुझे कुछ ना कुछ सिखाते हैं और they always help me and they always guide me in future what to do and they always treat me like I am their regular student and there is no such discrimination, so that is the best thing about them. And yeah, that's it. It's been a long journey, I guess 4.5 years થયા છે મને, and I look forward કે હજી 2 વર્ષ થાય and anyways we will be in contact but as a student ની વાત કરું છું. And yeah, a big thank you કે whatever I am right now is somewhere or the other because of you. It is because of you. And bas always guide me and help me and be my mentor, guardian always. And thank you for everything and yeah, thank you.
Friends, today is a significant day for all of us. We are celebrating Vyas Purnima, also known as Guru Purnima, all over the country. Today we are mandated rather to respect our teachers, particularly the teachers who have given us the traditional wisdom. Guru is like the moon that does not have the light of its own but draws the light and energy from the Supreme Soul. Gurus not only give us knowledge but also help us to lead our life to the right path. I pay all my tributes to all my wonderful teachers like you all. Happy Guru Purnima.
क्या है गलत क्या है ये सबक पढ़ाते हैं आप. झूठ क्या है और सच क्या है ये बात समझाते हैं आप. जब सोचता नहीं कुछ भी हमको राहों को सरल बनाते हैं आप. हैप्पी गुरु पूर्णिमा.
एक दिन मोहब्बत ओढ़ कर एक दिन गली के मोड़ पर तेरी हथेली पर लिखूं मेरा नाम तेरे नाम पर. फिर तू तकल्लुफ छोड़ कर फिर तू झुका कर के नजर रखना मेरे कांधे पे सर जिंदगी. कुछ तो बता जिंदगी अपना पता जिंदगी. कुछ तो बता जिंदगी अपना पता जिंदगी. रात में तेरे खत पढ़ेंगे साथ में कोरा जो पन्ना रह गया एक कांपते से हाथ में थोड़ी शिकायत करना तू, थोड़ी शिकायत मैं करूं, नाराज बस ना होना तू जिंदगी, कुछ तो बता जिंदगी, अपना पता जिंदगी।